Hey guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and again, I have one of those crazy days that I want to share with you because it's been insane yet again. So we really need to have a look at what gold did in today's gold forex trading market. Let's go. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and like I mentioned in the intro, I have to share with you guys another crazy powerful trend in the XAUUSD market strategies for today. And you need to see this like the past couple of hours. And I mean hours. We all know that the last 3 weeks it's been absolutely insane for gold. It's been rallying all the way to the top, and then for a few days gold has started to go down. But now, oh now, I cannot wait. So let's jump right into those charts. Okay guys, so you should be able to see the snippet of today's gold forex trading market that I'm showing on the screen right now, and this is insane to look at. If you actually realize what exactly we are looking at, it's mind-blowing, okay? Let me start to break this down for you. So here's the moment where the momentum trading indicator started to notify me of the starting point of a trend change, which happened just around 2:30 or 2:20 today. And then XAUUSD has started to rally all the way to the top. Like literally it hasn't stopped since. It's a continuous trend, and it's what, 4:15? In a matter of 1 hour and a half, we are looking at some incredible potential that I'm going to show you really short and sweet. And when I say short and sweet, I mean that short. So now we have both indicators on the screen here to make it really nice and efficient into explaining you guys what happened. So just judging by these crazy indicator right here, just at 2:20 at a starting point of 1896 as a price point, of course, and going all the way up until just around here. And I chose this specific part to highlight. Even if we don't have an indicator here, we can see that the actual support line has been broken, so the market seems to go down. So at this point, that's the highest. If we just take into consideration that point, it could go up even more. You never know. But only looking at this snippet that we are seeing here, going up to a price point of 1930. You can see where I'm going with this. So if you do the math behind it, we would be looking at just around 34 points. And if you've been watching my YouTube videos on this TradeLabs channel, you guys, you know what I'm going with this. 34 points. If you want to transform that into pips, because they're not the same thing, then all you need to do is multiply by 100. So therefore, 34 points times 100, here you go, 3,500 pips in the XAUUSD market strategy into one trend which hasn't finished yet. Like, it's still going. Really strong, by the way. A potential of 3,400 pips. Like, you need to say it out loud to realize it. That's insane. Into one trend, one powerful trend, which hasn't even ended yet. Like, this is still ongoing. Really strong, by the way. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. Really short and sweet. Like I mentioned, I just wanted to quickly jump in and show you guys this insane trend, because I've been watching it since it started and I still cannot believe this is still going up. And at this point where I'm talking now, it's still going up. So a crazy potential of 3,400 pips, which wouldn't have been possible without the momentum trading indicator, which was built by us at TradeLabs to be really precise at predicting the direction of the market, which is what all forex traders are looking for. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.